the key to a better future. Education is one of the most powerful tools for building a nation. It shapes our minds, it gives us opportunities, and it helps us understand the world around us. Yet, many young people today still struggle to access quality education due to poverty, lack of resources, and inequality. The issues not affects not only students, but the entire future of our community. When education is limited, progress shows down. Many students are forced to stop studying because they cannot afford tuition, transportation, or school supplies. In rural areas, school lack of teachers and facilities. These problems create barriers that prevent young people from reaching their full potential. As a result, poverty and unemployment continue to rise. However, education can change lives. When students are educated, they gain knowledge, confidence, and the power to make good decisions. They become responsible citizens who are contribute to society. The government and communities must work together to provide accessible quality and education for all by improving facilities, supporting teachers, and offering scholarship to those in need. Education is not a privilege. It is a right. Every child deserves a chance to learn and dream. As a citizen, we should value education, support our schools, and encourage young people to keep studying. A nation that invests in education invests in its future. Together, we can build a brighter and smarter Philippines.